You guys all know that I love parties so much. I love hosting party. But every time I hosting party, I'm always ended up doing all the cooking, clean up all the dishes, and prep all the work like 3 days before the party, and always ended up so tired, and I don't have time to social with my guests, and I don't have time to enjoy the party that I'm hosting, which I find a great way to do it. Today, I'm hiring Jenni, which is a taco chef. She will cook the taco right in front of your guests, and she's gonna bring all her ingredient. You get like the package I'm choosing is for 30 people, and she's gonna give me three different kind of meat, and plus the chips, salsa, all that tortilla, all that stuffs. She bring her own grill. She bring her own stuff. I don't have to lift a finger. This is awesome. Let's check it out. Hi, Chef Jenni. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So, what do we have here?
Right now, I'm cooking the pastor. It's a very delicious meat from Mexico, like pork. And also, we're starting with some grilled jalapenos. We start getting everything ready for this party.
And while you're doing that, can you tell me a little story behind why are you started catering all this?
Wow, it's a pretty a family thing. When I was in Mexico, when I was very like young, my mom, she used to own a restaurant. So since then I start having this like a love of cooking food. So right now, obviously, I'm cooking Mexican food, but I also I know how to cook like international food too as well. I've been working in a good restaurants in Las Vegas. I helped Chef Josh to open the Lila.
Oh wow!
Yes, a beautiful restaurant. And also, I've been working in a French cuisine. I was working for over 4 years at Bordeaux.
Wow!
Yeah, so it's kind of like right now I'm trying to combine all the things that I already learned from also my background as a Mexican. So I think food is delicious and it's for everybody.
So that's why you have a love for the different foods.
Yes.
And you are so knowledgeable with all different kind of cuisine too.
Yes.
And so you decided to have your own business.
Exactly. And it's pretty much like a family thing right now. We start building this, and I know one day it's going to be like a big thing, but everything starts for a little, right?
Yes, everything starts first.
Yes.
And it's so nice to have your family being together. I love family business.
Yes, you see, my daughter is here, my husband is here. So we.
So how you get your husband to work on
Right? No, he.
He's just lucky.
I am lucky.
You're lucky, yeah, you are. And also, I know it takes me a while to book you, and I know you've been pretty busy too.
Yes.
And I will put your booking information under below the screen.
Yes.
So if somebody wants to book you, I'm sure the first thing you want to ask is the price.
Exactly. Like prices are different because parties are of 30, 40, 50, 100, 150. So, but my range of the way I charge, it's like about like 12 per person. So let's say if you have a party of 30 people, so I will charge like $12 per person. Also, all depends on the choices of you pick in your in the menu. So we have al pastor, we have asada, we have cabeza, we have birria, we have chicken, we have chorizo. We have very like a good menu, you know, like for the street tacos. Yeah.
Everything tastes delicious.
Oh yes, everything is fresh. I personally marinate my meat, so I hope you guys every time that you eat, you can taste those flavors. It's really good.
Wow. And what inspired you? Because I know you're gonna tell me a little bit story about your mom is a good chef.
Yes.
And that is why it inspired you to cooking?
First of all, because I always want to have my own business.
Right.
And this is a tool that I already learned how to do it, and it's I wanted to keep it like as a family, you know, like all the things that I know, it's thanks to my mom, pretty much. And I want to continue cooking that way, you know, with those homemade recipes, everything traditional. I'll try my best to keep everything traditional, but you have to understand sometimes we're not access to those fresh ingredients or whatever, you know. But I try so hard to keep everything like I say, fresh, original, traditional.
I love it. I love it. And so what we taste today is what your mom's recipe.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
See that every day. I love it. All right, I'm gonna let you continue to cook. I will check back with you a little bit.
Yes. Thank you.
I'm the daughter of Jenni, and today we're gonna have tacos asada, chicken, pastor, and we also have rice and beans, grilled onions, and jalapenos, and we have salsa verde and roja, and guacamole, and radishes, onions, cilantro, lemons, and then also horchata and tamarino.
And what else is all here? It's so colorful.
This is all our sauces bowls. First ones we always do is the guacamole, which is mild. Then we do the green one, which is the kind of spicy, and the red one, which is the most spiciest. And then we have radishes, and then we go to cilantros, and then lemons. And over here, this is where we're gonna put our rice and frijoles, and this is tamarindo and horchata.
Wow. So what is your favorite?
I'll say meats right now. We have pastor, and I liked all the sauces. I say guacamole is my favorite, and
Can you eat spicy, Taylor?
not really.
Not really. Okay.
I say one we have right there is tamarindo. I really like it. It was very delicious, and the rice is really good, and the frijoles are too.
And I see your dad is setting up.
Yes, me and him are the ones that do the most here, and my mom is the one that cooks.
Wow, what a team.
Right now we are cooking the pastor.
You can click on that. So we got our second meat here.
This one is chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
It does not look like chicken.
It is chicken.
Wow. So you do a lot of preparation before this, right?
Yes.
Wow. Smell great. You guys are so lucky.
Yes.
Yeah. Does she cook for you all the time? Yeah? So Jenni was telling me that her daughter, you are 15 years old, right? And it's such a nice young girl, and you're helping your mom. What do you do when you come out?
I switch the roles. Sometimes I go through the sauce bar, or I cook like the tortillas, or I serve people. It's depending what I do today.
Wow, that's so nice. You doesn't see a lot of youngsters helping out people all the time. So.
Yeah, I enjoy helping my mom. It's fun, kind of.
Yes. So right now we're gonna provide street tacos. Great. So we're gonna have a pastor, we're gonna have chicken, and also we're gonna have a steak.
Wow.
And look at what it's set up.
Look at this. You supplied all this?
Yes. In a minute, I'm gonna fill it up all my bowls.
Yes.
So of course, like you see, we have the salsa bar.
Look
So
at this.
We're gonna
I
have
love it.
salsa roja, salsa verde, guacamole, radishes.
Wow.
We also have rice and beans, and we have the waters, tamarind, and also we have horchata.
That smells good.
Good.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you get a chance, I want an al pastor.
We have a pastor.
All right. How is the taco?
I love the tacos. I love the roasted, is it the jalapenos? I love the tortilla. It's all delicious.
Thank
We
you.
do it by sunset, so at least it gets a little better. Yeah. It's really hot.
Hi, Jen. How is the taco?
Oh my gosh, I love it. The chicken was delicious, the al pastor, the beef, all the salsas, everything was fabulous.
Thank you, Pam. All right, so we have a chef Jenni here. Jenni, it is a successful party. Everyone enjoyed it.
Thank you. I'm happy that everybody likes my food.
And I think the most popular one is el pasto.
Al pastor, yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite ones. It's pork. So like we use a lot of like South Mexico ingredients. Like for example, there's this ingredient that we call achiote. It's very popular in the South. So I use achiote to marinate my al pastor.
All right, and also Jenny, so it's such a successful. A lot of people were asking like, where can I find you? So can you remind my viewer now, how they're gonna look you up in the Instagram?
Yes, we have it like as a Jenny's Kitchen LB. So you can find me also in Instagram, and also you can find me on Facebook. And obviously, like, you know, I have a business cards, and I post a lot of things in social media, so where you can have more information, how you can book your party with me.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
You're
Jenny.
welcome.
Please go enjoying the party with everyone.
Yes,
and
thank you.
Hopefully we, just for you know, Jenny doesn't just do Mexican food. She does Thai, French,
Italian. Yes, of course. Any type of food that you guys wanna eat, I can work with you guys, and we can settle a menu like whatever you wanna have in your party. We work on it and we make it possible.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Please look out for Jenny on the Instagram and follow her.